And this shit, look at that shit. Only in America, man. Only in America. I can't believe this shit. Only in fucking America, man. Only fucking America. What the fuck? I'm fucking high as hell, dude. Only in America, man. Look. Shit. Look. Here goes my daughter. Only in fucking America. My mom's taking the ducks and all that back to whatever type of fucking shit to do. Only in fucking America. This shit. You might see this shit in lost videos and shit and all that shit. This was just me out here. I been watching so much YouTube videos, see this and that. Only I gotta say this out to all the YouTube family in Laos and shit. This is from Koi. Look. Only in America, baby. Only in America. Everybody's talking about, oh, they went loud. Fuck that shit. Only in America. You do it, you will, you get it, and then damn, that's it, there it go. That's life, man. Only in America. That's what mom and daddy did. She's doing what she's doing, feeding the ducks and whatever. Mom does that. Dad's old. Yeah. Only in America. Yep, there you go. Let's see. That nigga right there, he late. You know, he was getting fucked up high. He late than the motherfucker. Look, he looking at me, what the fuck? I think about going through the river. God damn. Nah, I'm debating what the fuck you gonna do. You gonna go that way, come this way, what the hell? Come on. Are you gonna go around me or you gonna swim on the other way? Oh, I'm saying, my mom over there feeding the duck over there. I got that back quick. Slow my road there, see? Only in America. Only in America. I appreciate everybody watching.